Hey Mathate, in this Khan Academy, classify numbers, you simply need to classify numbers as whole numbers, as an integer, or as a rational, which you know are these numbers, or an irrational, which you now know are these type numbers, okay? So, let's do the very first one here. Very first one, we have negative 15 over 3. Now, first thing you got to do is simplify that. Negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. So whole numbers are anything 0, 1, 2, 3, any positive number which is whole. This is negative 5, so this would not classify as a whole number. Integers are any whole number, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth, but it also includes their negative counterparts. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Because this number is negative 5, this is an integer, but we're not done yet. We have to choose all that apply. Our integers, all integers and whole numbers are also rational numbers. So everything, we already know that because all fractions are rational numbers. So any integer or anything whole number is also going to be rational. So this one had two answers. Next one, let's do our next one here. Oops, not that one. We'll do that one. I'm going to come back to this, guys. Give me a moment. See, this is how we make mistakes, and then we just move on from them. So, again, here's my first one that I did for you. Right there, we had the integer in that one. Let's do the next one. There we go. This one, we're doing the negative square root of 16. Well, first of all, the square root of 16 is 4. So this would equal negative 4. Negative 4, again, would not be a whole number because it's a negative. But negative 4 is an integer, so we've got to grab that one. And negative 4, because it's an integer, has to be a rational number, so it goes here as well. Why is it not irrational? Because it's got a square root. And that's because this one is a perfect square root. Square root of 16 is a perfect 4. 4 times 4 is 16. That's why it's not irrational. Good question. Next one, we have 8 over 2. First of all, it's a fraction, so you should all know it's rational, correct? 8 divided by 2 is positive 4. Now, because it's positive, it's a whole number. And remember, all whole numbers are also integers. So it's an integer as well. So if you click, first of all, if you click an integer, you're going to click the rational. If you click a whole number, you have to click integer, which means you also have to click rational. Gee, I wonder if we're ever going to get to an example of an irrational number. Hey, you asked for it, you got it. What about 2 pi? Well, there's our famous irrational number pi. 2 pi, 3 pi, doesn't matter what you multiply pi by, it is irrational. That's all there is to it, guys. Good luck. Bye-bye.